The Sun, our very own star, a glowing sphere of hot plasma at the heart of our solar system, a celestial giant that holds our solar system in its gravitational embrace, keeping planets, moons, and asteroids in their orbits. For the past 24 hours, it has been remarkably quiet. A rare moment of stillness in its otherwise turbulent existence. A serene oasis in the vast expanse of space, offering a brief respite from its usual fiery demeanor. But don't let this calm fool you. The Sun is never truly at rest. Even in its stillness, the Sun pulsates with raw energy, its surface alive with subtle movements and hidden power. Beneath its surface, a maelstrom of nuclear fusion rages on, transforming hydrogen into helium and releasing unimaginable amounts of energy, fueling the star's brilliance. This energy, in the form of light and heat, sustains life on our planet, nurturing plants, warming oceans, and driving weather patterns. Yet this tranquility is deceptive. The Sun's surface is always on the brink of another eruption. The Sun, as we know, is a celestial artist, painting the cosmos with strokes of fire and light, each flare a masterpiece of cosmic energy. This current quietude is but a brief intermission in the Sun's grand cosmic performance, a pause before the next act. Soon the curtain will rise again, and the solar stage will be set for another dramatic act, a reminder of the Sun's ever-changing nature. Look closer, and the Sun's surface reveals its true dynamism. Dark, cooler regions known as sunspots pepper its photosphere. These blemishes, some larger than our Earth, are visual reminders of the intense magnetic activity brewing within the Sun. Currently, these sunspots are relatively stable, their dark eyes gazing steadily at our planet. However, a new group of sunspots has emerged on the eastern limb of the Sun. These newcomers, still small and faint, hint at the Sun's ever-changing nature. Like actors waiting in the wings, these new sunspots could herald a new act in the Sun's performance. An act that could see our star erupt in a dazzling display of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. As we watch from afar, a lone sentinel dares to venture closer to the Sun's fury, braving the intense heat and radiation that would destroy most spacecraft. The Parker Solar Probe, a marvel of human ingenuity and engineering, is on a groundbreaking mission to unlock the secrets of our star, the Sun. This robotic explorer is currently looping around the Sun, its instruments braving the intense heat and radiation, collecting data that will revolutionize our understanding of solar phenomena. In the coming months, the Parker probe will make its closest approach yet, skimming through the Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, where temperatures soar to millions of degrees. This daring maneuver will allow scientists to study the solar wind, a stream of charged particles constantly flowing from the Sun, which influences space weather and affects our planet. The data collected by the Parker probe will be invaluable in understanding the Sun's behavior, particularly the mechanisms behind solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which can have significant impacts on Earth. These events, though beautiful to behold, can wreak havoc on our technological infrastructure, disrupting satellite communications, power grids, and even posing risks to astronauts in space. Earth's greening poles, a paradoxical bloom. While the Sun continues its fiery dance, its influence is felt far beyond the confines of our star. Here on Earth, a curious phenomenon is unfolding: the greening of our planet's polar regions. Antarctica, a continent once synonymous with ice and snow, is experiencing an unprecedented bloom of plant life. This greening trend, driven by rising temperatures and changing weather patterns, is a stark reminder of the Sun's profound influence on our planet's climate. While the sight of verdant life might seem positive, this change is not without its consequences. The melting ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities worldwide. This paradoxical bloom serves as a potent symbol of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Solar storms and the human psyche. The Sun's influence extends beyond the physical realm. There is growing evidence to suggest that solar activity can impact human behavior and psychology. Some studies have linked increased solar activity to changes in mood, sleep patterns, and even cognitive function. While the precise mechanisms remain unclear, scientists believe that fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field, triggered by solar storms, could be responsible for these effects. Our brains, after all, operate on electrical impulses, making them potentially susceptible to electromagnetic disturbances. Further research is needed to fully understand this fascinating connection. However, the possibility that our very thoughts and emotions could be influenced by a distant star is a humbling reminder of our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. A call to awareness, our interconnected future. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Sun, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of our universe. The Sun, a colossal ball of burning gases, is not just a distant star, it is a vital part of our existence. The Sun, our life giver, can also be a source of disruption and change. Its solar flares and coronal mass ejections can have profound impacts on our planet. Its activity shapes our planet's climate, influences our technology, and might even touch our very thoughts and emotions. The sun's magnetic field interacts with Earth's, creating beautiful auroras but also posing risks to our technological infrastructure. From the intrepid Parker solar probe to the greening of Antarctica, we are witnessing the profound ways in which solar activity is shaping our world. These changes are not isolated, they are part of a larger cosmic dance. These observations are not merely scientific curiosities, they are urgent calls to action. The data collected by scientists is crucial for predicting and mitigating the effects of solar activity. We must continue to study the sun, to understand its rhythms and its tantrums. By doing so, we can better prepare for the challenges it may present. We must prepare for the inevitable solar storms that will test our technological resilience. These storms can disrupt power grids, communication systems, and even navigation satellites. And perhaps most importantly, we must recognize our interconnectedness with the cosmos, a connection that binds our fate to the fiery heart of our nearest star. This awareness can inspire us to take better care of our planet and each other. Let us embrace this knowledge with a sense of wonder and responsibility, for it is in understanding our place in the universe that we can truly safeguard our future. By fostering a deeper connection with the cosmos, we can inspire future generations to continue this vital work.